Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a video reviewing these Sunpie rock lights. Actually a buddy of mine got them for my birthday, so I'll be putting them on my Jeep, seeing how they turn out and giving my overall thoughts on them. Stay tuned. Overall, the packaging is pretty nice for these. It comes with 8 of them. As you can see, they're the Rgb-W, so they have the red, blue, green, and also the white. So once we dig into the box here, I actually already have them put on, I'll just flip it open. So this is the box that they come in. You get 8 of them, and I'll just prop you up and go through what they have here. Okay, so in each box, you'll get the light, of course, then they give you a few zip ties, and also they give you some mounting hardware. So they'll give you a bolt, a nut, and a washer to go with each of their lights. They also include the fuse and the wiring harness. There's 3 different options pending what your vehicle fits. Stick this all back in here. Overall, the installation isn't really all that hard. My one complaint is that I did have to buy the wire extensions to reach my back to that are under the trunk. Besides that, they give you a fair bit of wire. I'm not sure if it says here on the box how much wiring they give you. Yeah, it's not showing how much wire they give you. I'm gonna guess it's about 10 feet. So depending on what vehicle you have, it might fit. But here's all the info on the lights. Okay, on the Jeep, I'll show you where I put them. Put 1, 2 under the front bumper there to shine down. Then going back to the side, put 1 right under there. Just attached it to the frame. Same thing here, just attach it to the plastic. Whoa, there we go. And then under the back here, 1 there and 1 there, just angling out towards the sides to shine out under the back. Same thing over here. Just 1 right in under here. Same thing up here, right in under there. Also forgot to include, it does come with a remote to power them by. You can actually also get the app too. This is the remote it gives you. You can switch, what color you want. Brightness, you can change it to strobe, flash, fade, smooth, all those different things. It just runs off of 2 AAA batteries. From my experience, the app doesn't work all that well. Kind of jumps in and out. You're supposed to actually scan QR code to get the app, so it's specific with your lights, but my experience, it hasn't worked all that great. I just prefer to use the remote. And then here's a look under the hood. This is the little power box they get you. Just gotta plug that in there. Make sure you have power and then a ground somewhere. And then all these plugs come out. Just plug them in there. I just tried to zip tie everything out of the way as neat as possible. It's still kind of a mess, but that'll work. All right, guys, here's a look at night. Got the remote here. They light up pretty well. Go around the side. Honestly, look pretty good. Gives a pretty good shine all around. You can change the color up. There we go. You can mess around. They got all sorts of colors. You can actually make it flash too and strobe. Whoop, there's the strobe. This is the flash. Personally, I just like the white though. Just looks the most clean, in my personal opinion. Anyhow, there you see them at night. Alright guys, just as an overall recap on the rock lights, overall rating out of 10, I give them a 6 out of 10. My 3 complaints or points to make would be: 1, the directions. There wasn't very many directions, basically self-explanatory, I guess, but for someone that's new that might not know how to do it, might be helpful. 2, the length of the cord, which for me it wasn't enough. For some people it might be. I kind of leave that one up to you. Number 3, the brightness. They are fairly bright, you know, they're bright enough. I would just prefer them to be a little bit brighter. And then for the Bluetooth, for using it on your phone, I don't know if they just need to work on the app a little more. I'm not a computer tech, but I would just say they need to do a little work on that. The remote works well, so I guess that's what I'll just use. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.